My name is Laetitia Tissot. I'm French. I've just arrived in Dubai, and I launched a startup called Bridgz, which is a networking tool for communities. My purpose is to make human-to-human connection happen again, because with actual current social networks, people forgot about how to connect in real life with people. Last year I was working in D3, Dubai Design District, and I had a strange experience, very excited to go in this amazing community. But when I started to work there, I realized that it was very difficult to meet people in the place. Even if we are working in the same place, on the same sector, and it's very difficult to bring, to create, build really real connections with people. So I decided to create something with icebreakers in it, and just for this community to animate and to make people really connect over coffee breaks, lunch, afterworks, or other meetups in the community. Actually, I'm very excited about entering this new ecosystem. I'm coming from the more traditional industries, and I really wanted to try to understand how everything is happening, and it's something so different from traditional companies. I feel a bit old when I'm in the startup ecosystem because everybody is very young here, but I'm very excited to be in this kind of atmosphere. It's so different. STEP conference, it's, I think, just for the atmosphere of the place and the way, the angle. I like the way they make everything. It's quite young, it's quite informal, it's quite there is a lot of people here. I think it's the first event here in Dubai where I see so many people around startups. So I think it's the place to be for startup, and it's just the beginning, but I feel that this is exactly the positioning I was looking for.